How are you feeling today? You look a bit tired. Did you sleep all right last night? Sleep is much more important than you think. It helps your brain recharge, reduces irritability, improves concentration during the day, and relaxes and repairs your muscles. However, sleeping longer isn't necessarily healthier. 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night is enough for most people. Galaxy Watch3 can help you improve the quality of your sleep. Just make sure this little device is snug on your arm right above the wrist before going to bed. Its automatic sleep tracker takes your heart rate and tracks your movement. The data then goes through an advanced algorithm to calculate your sleep score. When you wake up, the data that your watch recorded will automatically sync to Samsung Health. You can check sleep management functions right from the watch. But you can take a deeper dive on your smartphone. Here you'll find a chart that maps your sleep. There are 4 stages: awake, REM, light, and deep. You can even rate your sleep on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. If you want to find out more, including ways to increase your sleep score, you can look at your sleep factors. You'll see exactly which categories need improvement to get a higher score. Now take a look at this insight message. These trustworthy tips reflect the guidelines provided by the National Sleep Foundation. Even without your watch, you can record your sleep information manually. Tap Record Manually. It will suggest an estimate of your sleep duration based on when you were using your phone. You can confirm it or make changes before saving. Feeling well rested already, right? As I always say, you reap what you sleep.
Hey, have you ever heard of blood oxygen? It's also called SpO2. As you know, no one can live without oxygen. When we breathe it in, it gets delivered to the hemoglobin in our red blood cells and carried throughout our bodies. Blood oxygen measures how much oxygenated hemoglobin is in our blood. If it's high, there's enough oxygen going around the body. It has a positive effect on brain function, immunity, and stamina. But what if it's low? Low blood oxygen can cause serious problems for the body. If blood oxygen is at 95%, it means that 95% of the hemoglobin in our blood is carrying oxygen. Blood oxygen levels usually range from 95 to 100%. Values under 90% are considered low. However, the range may vary depending on the individual's health condition or the surrounding environment. Blood oxygen can help us monitor lung function. This can be especially helpful for those with chronic heart or lung disease. So, how do we measure blood oxygen? With the Galaxy Watch3, you can measure blood oxygen easily. When measuring blood oxygen, your arm should stay in a fixed position. For accurate measurements, wear the Galaxy Watch3 2 finger widths up from your wrist and make sure the strap is snug so that the watch doesn't move. Then, open the Samsung Health app. Scroll down the list of options and tap on the blood oxygen icon and press the measure button. Don't move until the measuring process is complete. Alright, I'm 97%. The mobile Samsung Health app also makes it easier to check your blood oxygen. How about measuring yours too?
da 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 da.